at you sitting there with your smug attitude. You think you better than me because you got a beard? My whole body got a beard.
I can't believe you just gonna sit up in my house and eat our food in my face and not offer me nothing. Huh? Look at. All right, I'm gonna lay right here. I ain't looking to fight with you today. Well, that's just too bad, cause a fight looking for you. Oh, what the hell? Girl, what in the hell is that on your head? What? It's my new dude. You don't like it? Hell no. It look like it came off